I find myself responding with words they can lose, and I'm not sure what's going to replace them. One is this monomaniacal focus on algorithms as the thing that's going to save a lot of industries. And what's coming out now is algorithms are ripe with bias. So it's not a terribly techie word, but I would advise a lot of people that are working in technology to pay attention to the biases that are built into algorithms. There was just an article yesterday in the US about how facial recognition technology is very good at recognizing white male faces because that's the database that's been fed into these engines to train them. And for example, the whole project that led to this news article was done by a young African-American woman who's going to MIT, and her own ID card wouldn't get her into some of the MIT buildings because the facial recognition software, even at a place like MIT, is so poor at distinguishing faces that don't belong to the stock category that was fed in to the machine. So bias is one word that I would ask people to pay attention to.
The three words that I would possibly want to focus is inclusive. I think inclusive for, Manoj was talking about for gender. There could be inclusive for literacy. There could be inclusive on economic variations. So technology that focuses on inclusion is one buzzword. Second, technology that is small, that is simple. You don't need a giant 2,000 data centers to figure that out. That is small, something handy, that's a buzzword. And third is technology that is clean. When I say clean, I don't mean the carbon footprint clean. I mean clean of biases, clean of motives, clean in assisting. So I think these are three key words that I would want all the business professionals, is my technology inclusive? Is it small and handy? Is it clean? Is it free of biases? These are three things that come to my mind.